An introduction to the technology behind quadcopters and their impact on drone innovation. What is a quadcopter and how is technology used to make them? A quadcopter is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that uses 4 rotors to fly. Quadcopters have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their affordability and ease of use. They are used for a variety of applications, including aerial photography and videography, surveying, search and rescue operations, and even delivering goods. The technology behind quadcopters has advanced significantly over the past decade or so. Modern quadcopters use a combination of sophisticated sensors, controllers, motors, and other components to provide stable flight. This technology allows them to be controlled remotely from a distance while providing excellent performance in terms of speed, agility, and maneuverability. Furthermore, advancements in drone parts and components have made them more reliable than ever before. How modern robotics has allowed for more innovative quadcopter designs. Quadcopter designs have come a long way since their inception. Thanks to modern robotics, quadcopters are now capable of performing complex tasks and maneuvers that were previously impossible. This has allowed for more innovative quadcopter designs to be created, which can be used for a variety of purposes such as aerial photography, search and rescue operations, and even delivery services. Robotics has enabled engineers to create lightweight yet powerful drones that can fly faster and farther than ever before. With the help of sophisticated sensors and algorithms, these drones can navigate obstacles with ease while providing users with real-time feedback on their performance. Furthermore, the use of robotics in quadrotor design has allowed for greater customization options such as modular components and interchangeable parts so that users can tailor their drone according to specific needs. Exploring the latest advancements in drone motors and propellers. Drone technology has come a long way in the past few years and is now being used for a variety of applications. One of the most important components of any drone is its motors and propellers, which are responsible for providing lift and propulsion to the aircraft. This video will explore the latest advancements in drone motors and propellers, including brushless motors for drones, propeller design for drones, and multi-rotor motors. We will also discuss how these advancements can improve the performance and efficiency of drones. Examining the latest sensors and cameras used in drones today. Drones are becoming increasingly popular for a variety of uses and applications. As such, the technology used in drones is becoming more sophisticated. One of the most important components of any drone is its sensors and cameras. In this video, we will examine some of the latest sensors and cameras used in drones today, including gyroscope sensors, GPS navigation systems, and optical flow sensors. We will discuss how these components work together to provide accurate flight control and image capture capabilities for drones. We will also explore some of the potential use cases for these sensors in various industries. The future of quadcopter technology and what we can expect moving forward. Autonomous drones, also known as quadcopters, are becoming increasingly popular as a means of transportation and surveillance. The technology is advancing rapidly, and the potential for applications in the future is immense. Autonomous drones have the ability to fly autonomously without human intervention, allowing them to be used for a variety of tasks such as delivery services, search and rescue operations, surveillance, mapping, and more. With advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and other technologies such as machine learning, (ML), autonomous drones are expected to become even more powerful in the near future. We can expect autonomous drone technology to continue to evolve with new capabilities that will enable them to perform more complex tasks while being safer than traditional aircrafts.